Let's take my apartment from an unorganized mess to an organized mess. Yay! Starting with the side table that lives next to my computer. You may remember this side table from my previous organizing video. What the actual fuck is wrong with my posture?
Take my pants off so bad on the lawn.
I actually have to organize this area now. I have a box that I can't access because there's too much shit in the way. This first drawer is pretty cute. It's my apothecary. This is the drawer that I need to sort out. I'm going to take everything out and categorize them.
Was the acceptance that I let you slip in, and maybe I could fall. Just try to remember who surrounded you from all the heaps of fallout new to all. Well, maybe I could give it to her, cause when you said it wasn't much, a single call. Well, how do I take your word well over his? Yeah, how do I take it for less than it is?
Pens, things to write on, my book of shadows, pouches. I also have vessels, little jars, bottles, but I think pouches counts as a vessel as well. Little wax seals, things like a star, pretty tight. Like sentimental ephemera, not vintage ephemera, like modern ephemera. So just mostly concert tickets, some stickers. These, so I remember what the gems fucking do. My boyfriend's hair, it needs to be brown. On my crystals, soy wax. Goes with candles, tea light candles. My boyfriend made me this really cute pyramid incense holder, stick incense holder, money, just spell shit, deciding what goes in what spot. Yeah. Pulled out my box of dividers and spare plastic containers, so I might use them. This is my drawer setup. Pretty much every plastic container that I have left, I've used, so that's why they're all completely mismatched.
Well, how do I take your word well over his? Yeah, how do I take it for less than it is? Tore down the walls, try my best to let you in. Yeah, how was I supposed to know what you had? What you had? Yeah, no, shouldn't get jealous, but the collar with the hard eyes. It gets me hellish, trying to look at it through my eyes. The thought of you and leave it staring at my insides. Waiting, knowing there's no staying. Can't remember why I try. So don't you lie, cause you're running out of time till it comes down. I give myself a rundown. Now you're in and out of the ice. So don't you lie, cause you're running out of time.
The reason why I wanted to reorganize my entryways because I wanted a full-length mirror so I can do full-length outfit shots, and there is currently no room for that here, so I have to rearrange everything.
Body, mind, and soul, forcing me to stay the same. Everything's gonna be okay. Don't dare hold me down. Body, mind, and soul, forcing me to stay the same. Everything's gonna be okay. Don't dare hold me down. He told me that he did everything right. Caution tape, so on my body. I ain't dead yet, but I'm waiting for that time.
This is how it's currently looking. It looks fucking terrible. I got into a fight with the shoe rack and I lost, and this plant stand is 2 millimeters too big for this little space that it could perfectly fit into, so I have to rearrange my furniture again.
And it goes 1 time, 2 times, 3 tries, 4. Make the same mistake, I'm bored. Running circles round our heads. Nothing hurts so
this is how it's currently looking. I'm okay with it, I guess. So I threw up all my bags on this hook. I consolidated all the tote bags into just this one. And I put this bag up here because it was smacking me in the face when it was hanging over there. All my pretty shoes on the shelf. This is the old shoe rack. It's just there, so that's cool. It's not that offensive because it kind of blends into the door, but definitely needs to be thrown out. I put my most used pair of shoes there, and a little ottoman to sit on so I can put my shoes on. But I mostly just use it for like holding my bag. Like I put my bag down there. Unfortunately, the mirror that I got broke, so I have to stick with the old one. I've just got another pair of shoes down there and just like other miscellany that I haven't worked out where to put yet. And then here is the basket that I just organized. So it's just got my going out essentials such as like fashion tape, a lint roller and mask, and sunscreen, and then my skincare stuff, so like moisturizer, eye cream, because it's right next to the mirror. Don't look at me, don't look at me. And then here is the shoe cabinet. It looks so much neater, but clearly I have 3 shoes out here, another pair, and like another pair. I clearly need one more of these. So all my like least worn shoes are here, and then more shoes are in here. Because all my shoes are like platform / ankle boots, I can only fit half the amount inside the cabinet. But yeah, is it an improvement from before? I really can't say. It's fine, I guess it's fine.
So bad and I don't know when it'll end, but I'll find a reason to live every day. Even when all of the clouds roll in, even when all of the lights get dim, I hear a voice inside my head at night that tells me I don't gotta lose this fight. There's still some good left in this world. You might get what you wish for, and we all share this your world. It's just your turn, this world turns. I found a reason to hate. You were my reason to hate. You were my reason today.
Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time for hopefully less yelling. Bye!